Part 1. Intro Why SAP in 2025 is exploding, extended. Welcome to 2025, the year that might just be the most transformative year in the history of SAP. If you've been following the SAP ecosystem, you already know that it has always been about helping companies run better. But what's happening right now is on a completely different scale. We're seeing a massive global shift in the way organizations approach enterprise technology. Cloud adoption is no longer optional, it's the new normal. Artificial intelligence, especially agentic AI, is moving from hype into real business applications that are saving millions of dollars and transforming daily operations. Governments around the world are pushing sustainability mandates, and SAP is embedding sustainability into the core financial ledgers of companies. And on top of that, business processes are being rebuilt from the ground up using modular, cloud native, and API first approaches. Why does this matter to you? Because every one of these trends directly impacts careers in SAP. If you're a consultant, developer, analyst, or project manager, the skill set you had in 2020 is no longer enough. The market is shifting, and those who adapt early are going to dominate the next decade. In this video, I'm going to break down the top SAP trends of 2025 that are reshaping the industry. We'll explore how S/4HANA Cloud Acceleration is creating more demand for cloud experts, how agentic AI is redefining the very role of SAP professionals, why sustainability and the Green Ledger are opening entirely new career paths, how SAP is evolving into a cloud-native, AI-powered ecosystem, and finally, what all of this means for your SAP career in 2025 and beyond. So if you're ready to future-proof your skills and make sure you don't get left behind, keep watching. Because this is not just about technology. This is about your future, your career, and your opportunity to grow with SAP. Part 2. S/4 HANA Cloud Acceleration. By 2025, SAP S/4 HANA Cloud has become the default choice for most new implementations. More than 90% of greenfield projects are already running in the cloud, and the reason is simple: speed, flexibility, and cost efficiency. With public cloud editions, companies can adopt quarterly innovation updates directly from SAP. This means you no longer wait years for big upgrades. Instead, you get a steady stream of new features, automation tools, and AI-powered enhancements every few months. For fast-moving industries like retail or logistics, this agility is a game changer. On the other hand, private cloud editions give enterprises more control. If your business requires custom configurations, complex integrations, or stricter compliance, the private option lets you keep that flexibility while still enjoying the benefits of cloud infrastructure. It's basically the best of both worlds, on-premise-like control with cloud scalability. But here's the key point. Companies that stay on legacy ECC systems are starting to fall behind. Migration is not just an IT project anymore. It's a business transformation initiative. The faster you move to S/4 HANA Cloud, the faster you can leverage real-time analytics, AI-driven insights, and automation that your competitors are already using. So the trend is clear. Cloud is not optional. It's inevitable. The question is, how fast can you get there? Part 3. AI and automation. Everywhere. By 2025, artificial intelligence and automation are no longer add-ons in SAP. They are at the very core of how companies run their business. SAP has embedded AI copilots, predictive analytics, and machine learning models directly into S/4HANA and business technology platform BTP. For example, in finance, AI can automatically match invoices with purchase orders, detect anomalies, and even predict cash flow problems before they happen. In supply chain, machine learning helps forecast demand with incredible accuracy by analyzing historical data, market trends, and even weather patterns. In HR, intelligent bots assist recruiters by scanning thousands of CVs in seconds, highlighting only the top matches. Automation also plays a big role in reducing manual, repetitive tasks. With tools like SAP Build Process Automation, employees can design workflows with low-code, no-code interfaces. This empowers business users, not just developers, to streamline processes and eliminate bottlenecks. But here's the real kicker. Companies that adopt AI plus automation early are seeing huge cost savings and productivity boosts. Imagine reducing your manual finance workload by 40% or cutting supply chain delays by half. That's not futuristic talk. It's happening right now. The bottom line? AI and automation are no longer nice to have. In 2025, they are the competitive advantage that separates digital leaders from laggards. Part 4. Rise of Low-Code Development. In 2025, low-code and no-code development have become one of the biggest game changers in the SAP ecosystem. In the past, customizing SAP systems often required months of ABAP coding and deep technical expertise. But now, thanks to SAP Build Apps and SAP Business Application Studio, even business users without programming backgrounds can create functional apps in a matter of hours. Here's why this is huge. Companies today need to innovate faster than ever. They can't afford long development cycles for every small process change. With low-code tools, a supply chain manager can build a custom dashboard for inventory tracking without waiting 6 months for IT. An HR manager can quickly create a mobile app to collect employee feedback. Finance teams can automate reporting workflows themselves. And don't worry, this doesn't mean traditional developers are out of the picture. In fact, pro developers and citizen developers are working together. The IT teams handle complex integrations and security, while business users design and build the front-end apps they need. This speeds up innovation dramatically. The result? Companies using low-code platforms report up to 60% faster time to market for new solutions, and employees feel more empowered because they can solve problems themselves. Bottom line, low-code is democratizing SAP development. In 2025, if you're not embracing it, you're falling behind. Part 5. Sustainability and Green. SAP. Sustainability is no longer just a buzzword. In 2025, it's a business requirement. Governments around the world are tightening regulations, customers demand eco-friendly practices, and investors are rewarding companies that show real commitment to sustainability. This is where SAP's Green Ledger and SAP Sustainability Control Tower come into play. These tools allow businesses to track, measure, and report carbon emissions and other environmental impacts with the same accuracy as financial data. For example, companies can now calculate the carbon footprint of a single product across its entire supply chain, from raw material sourcing to distribution. Here's why this matters. Traditional sustainability reports were often filled with estimates and outdated numbers. With SAP's integrated systems, the data is real-time and auditable. A CFO can see not only the financial cost of producing a product, but also the carbon cost, and make strategic decisions accordingly. Take manufacturing. Companies can identify which suppliers have the lowest emissions or optimize transportation routes to reduce fuel consumption. In retail, businesses can label products with verified sustainability metrics to meet consumer demand for transparency. For SAP professionals, this is a massive opportunity. Whether you're in FI, or supply chain, understanding sustainability integration will make you a highly valuable consultant. In short, Green SAP isn't optional. It's the future of compliance, reputation, and profitability. Part 6. AI Everywhere. In SAP, artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept. In 2025, AI is embedded in every layer of SAP. From automating finance approvals to predicting supply chain risks, AI has become the default engine driving efficiency and innovation. Take SAP Joule, the new AI copilot integrated across SAP applications. It allows users to interact with SAP in natural language. You can literally type or speak, "Show me overdue invoices for vendor X," and suggest next steps. And Joule will fetch the data, analyze it, and even recommend actions. This is not just convenience, it's productivity at scale. In finance, FI/CO, AI helps with fraud detection by scanning thousands of transactions in real time. In HR, it can predict employee turnover and recommend retention strategies. In supply chain, AI forecasts demand with far greater accuracy by combining internal ERP data with external market signals. For developers and consultants, AI extensions on BTP open endless opportunities. You can build industry-specific models, automate repetitive workflows, or even integrate third-party AI models into SAP. The key shift is this: AI is no longer a tool. It's the foundation. SAP users expect AI-driven insights to be embedded in every process. Consultants who understand how to configure, extend, and optimize these capabilities will stay ahead in the market. Simply put, 2025 is the year where SAP without AI doesn't exist. Part 7. Conclusion and Call to Action. So let's wrap this up. In 2025, SAP is evolving faster than ever. Cloud adoption with S/4HANA is accelerating. Industries are moving towards specialized solutions. Sustainability is no longer optional. User experience is being transformed through Fiori and automation. And AI has become the backbone of everything. If you're a beginner, this is the best time to start your SAP journey. Focus on core modules like FI, and SD, and then branch out into new areas such as BTP, AI integration, and sustainability. Build your fundamentals, but also stay curious about these upcoming innovations. If you're already in the SAP world, you need to ask yourself, am I adapting to these changes or am I stuck with old skills? Because the future is clear. Consultants and professionals who embrace cloud, automation, and AI will thrive. Those who don't risk falling behind. And here's the exciting part. This channel is your guide. Every week we bring you deep dives into SAP modules, career strategies, and industry trends, all designed to help you grow faster in your SAP journey. So, if you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And if you want to go even deeper, check the links in the description for free resources and our SAP Career Guide. 2025 is the year to boost your career with SAP. and I'll be here to guide you every step of the way.